Oh, sweet relief. Oh, ooh, doggy. Wow. Je m'appelle Fatiste. No. Let Mother Nature take the wheel, Derek. You can do this, buddy. Oh. That's why we have trust issues. It's preaching. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Leviosa! Ooh, fartality. Ooh. Ooh, ow, ow. Why'd the music stop? Cheerio.
Okay.
Parkour! Oh. Ooh, that had a nice ring to it. Wowzers. Okie dokie. Oh, came out a little quicker than expected. Oh, sweet relief. Oh. Mother Nature, I let you take the wheel for 1 second. Brace for impact. Oh my gosh. Oh. That was a big one. Oh, well, shiver me timbers. Whew. Whoa. Ooh, just dropped my chocolate chips. Whoopsie. I need to find a bush. Why did the music stop? No. Expecto Patronum! Oh. Be free, my minions.
Oh yeah, I saw it earlier.
Ooh. Oh, ow. Okay. It's not supposed to happen like that. It's breaching.
And then
Sniper shot. Oh. Whew. Glad I got that out.
What is up, guys? If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button.
yeah.
Yeah!
Subscribe button.
See, they get it. Hopefully you guys do too. The only other thing that I really have is I think in a week or two, I will get the product back from the manufacturing plant. Hopefully it'll be good. We can go to production. And also I'm working with a merch company now too, so that's pretty cool. I know some of you guys have asked about it, so yeah. See you guys in the next one. Deuces.
Whoopsie, that slipped out. Why did it sound like that? Yeah. Oh,
And
dang.
he now has imitated you wherever we go.
Did I even fool you guys for a second, or did you guys know right
No, 'cause
away?
I've seen you so
Ah,
many
dang, we almost
times.
had it. Hi-ya! Okay, I need to make a U-turn. Save me, Jack Black. Oh. When the fart doesn't hit, huh? Expecto Patronum! Expecto Patronum! Please tell me that's something.